Smart lighting is awesome, but what is it, how does it work, and how do I get started? Imagine controlling all your lights with your voice. Okay Google, goodbye! Or make it seem like you're home when you're actually away. All of these things can easily be done with the help of smart lighting. Smart lighting is basically light bulbs that connect to your home network so that you can control them through an app. You can dim the lights without installing dimmers, you can set rules for how you want the lights to behave, you can connect smart sensors, and a lot more. Some smart bulbs also allow you to choose from over 1 million different colors. A great way to personalize your home, for example, when playing video games. But how does it work? Smart lighting generally uses mesh networking, where each bulb wirelessly connects to its nearest neighbor. The bulbs are controlled by a hub that speaks to your router, enabling you to control the lights with your smart device, such as your phone. Most smart lighting systems can also be paired with your smart home system, making the experience even more seamless. Once the system is set up, you can easily add more bulbs, sensors, and other equipment. Installing smart lights is almost as easy as screwing in a traditional light bulb. The bulbs even have the same socket mounts. We're now going to use a Philips Hue starter kit to demonstrate. First, install your lights. Then connect your hub or bridge to your home network, either wirelessly or directly through your router. Download the app, follow the instructions, and boom, you're good to go. Smart lighting is a great starting point when you're building your smart home. It's easy, it's practical, it's power efficient, it's super cool. That's a wrap? All right, I got some stuff to do. See you later, boys.